why don't you just jump in and tell us what product you want to talk about today that will be at the booth at AHR.
Yeah, so we're going to launch the VersaBoost Pro and the VersaBoost Pro XT. So what this product is it's a residential whole house or whole complex pressure booster. So if you have low water pressure because of a municipality, it's going to boost pressure anywhere from 14 to 80 PSI on top of what you have coming in. This works with cisterns as well as well pumps. And let's say you have filtration, whether it be an RO system or some sort of whole house filtration that's actually limiting the amount of water pressure you have. This is going to be the solution to solve that and boost that pressure up in your house.
I think you maybe answered my next question, but what makes this product meaningfully different, I guess, to the contractor that's going to install this?
Yeah, so I think the way that the VersaBoost Pro and the VersaBoost Pro XT stand out is that this is fully outdoor rated. So as long as we're operating between the ambient air temperatures of 33 degrees and 122 degrees, all the way down to the screen as well as the whole unit, it is outdoor rated with the NEMA 3R rating. Now, we also have connectability between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and we have what we call our FE Connect app, where you can monitor the actual system as it's working in real time, right? You can see your set point, you can see the inlet as well as the outlet. And then we're also going to have, with that one-to-one connection on that FE Connect, let's say there's any troubleshooting going on down the road, our technical support team can actually connect in one-to-one and troubleshoot what's going on with that pump itself. So all the way down to multi-directional ports, stainless steel inserts in those ports, as well as sending notifications if anything is going on with that system. So good. Lots of cool things that make it stand out.
Sounds very much, and you're also doing my job for me because you keep answering my next questions. Now, you did touch on some of this, but again, let's sum this up. The next question I have is, we talk a lot in our office, obviously our concerns are the contractor, the engineer, and the wholesaler. But, at the end of the day, there's somebody that, says, hey, I want this product installed in my house, building, whatever. What's the biggest benefit to the end user for a product like this?
So the biggest benefit is really going to be that constant pressure boosting, right? Now, to kind of chime in on this with real life application, earlier this week, I was in Los Angeles working with some of our sales force, and we all know that over in California, they have a lot of different issues with water supply. Well, pressure boosting is one of them. In our hotel, when we turned on the water, that shower was just barely trickling out, right? So you almost had to play it at the game, so it kind of angled out. And this would be the solution to fix that.
Did you make a sale at the hotel later that day?
Oh, I wish, with the launch happening in a month, we wish we could have had that sale, but yeah, we definitely talked about it with our sales force out there, like, hey, go back to this hotel over here.
I know that it's on their agenda for sure. Well, now Little Giant and Franklin have a good sized booth to show. What other products can AHR attendees expect to see?
We kind of separate it between the Little Giant brand and what we have for condensate removal pumps. Obviously, we're going to be talking about the VersaBoost and the VersaBoost Pro XT. The other side of the booth is going to be our industrial side, our Franklin Electric industrial pumps, and that's where we have these large pressure boosters. It's the inline spec pack product launch. And so this is going to be our industrial team that can answer any questions when we look at the more industrial size pieces. And we will be hosting an event on Monday, February 2nd from 2 to 4, kind of a happy hour with light hors d'oeuvres and some drinks and just really celebrating the launches of these products.
Okay. Well, I don't know if I got an invite, but I'm going to write it down right now.
Definitely. I might love to see you.
Absolutely. I'll be there. You and I are talking, it's only 2 weeks into the month here. We got 11 and a half months left of the year. What else might we expect from the companies in the year ahead?
Well, we're heavily concentrating on events, right? We want to make sure that we get out and really talk to the customers, talk to those end users. So we have a lot of different contractor events that are scheduled, all across the board between Franklin Electric, Little Giant brands. And it's really just getting back to basics, right? It's been a great time. This is something we've been doing for a long time, but now we're actually hitting the field more and just really engaging and really building those relationships, right?
All right. Well, good. well, maybe we can attend ourselves some of the contractor events.
Absolutely.
So
We'll definitely invite you.
Keep us in mind. Well, listen, Jeremiah, thanks for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you again next month, February 2nd to the 4th in Las Vegas, of course. And your booth number is C4422, C4422. So we'll see you there then.
That sounds great. Can't wait to see you.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.